Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to freeze half a page in Excel. Okay, I applied this to a example. I freeze this. Go to view, freeze frames and freeze frames on. Now save this, freeze it, and again vertically freeze this, vertically unfreeze frames and again freeze frames. Okay, now see this half page. Unfreeze this and split this half page. Click split. Now see this half page horizontally and double click to remove and half split vertically, then click split. Now see this double click to remove this. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.